Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you my configuration for the microphone in OBS. The microphone is a very important thing if you record the videos, and in this video I'll show you my personal configuration. So this is my OBS and I spent a lot of time to find this kind of configuration. But the first part, which is the most important one, is the original audio volume. This is my microphone, and I think it is quite good. It's the one which is integrated in my laptop, and this is the best volume I found for my microphone. Probably it will be different with your microphone, but I noticed that if I increase more the volume, I have a source which is distorted, an audio source distorted. So the first advice is to find the right spot to find the cleanest audio as possible from your microphone, and then you can try to tweak in OBS, because there are very important settings for the microphone. And if you go to the gear and then you go to filters, here you can choose to add more filters to do the live processing for your audio source. And these are the feature that I'm using. So noise suppression with minus 10 decibels and noise gate with this configuration. And this is gain 2.30 decibel. And now let's try to disable all of the feature just to see what happened. So this is the original microphone source. So let's try to do test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. Okay, now I enable the noise suppression. So this is with noise suppression. No, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3, and then I will enable the noise gate. Okay, so noise gate, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. Okay, and this is the latest one. It's the gain. It just increase the volume of the configuration. Okay, so this is test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. Okay, and yeah, this is my configuration. I found probably it is the best configuration for my setup, but leave me in the comment down below if you found something more interesting to tweak the audio. And yeah, if you found this video useful, leave me a thumbs up, and if I will reach 300 likes, I will show you another tutorial on how to do live editing like this in OBS, which is very useful to do live titling in the videos. That's it. Bye, and see you in another video. Bye.